Good morning, guys. How's everyone doing? How you guys doing? Morning. Let's see what we have today. Like always, you guys have my level for Spy in the Queue on my Discord and my watch list also. Today I post like 5-6 stocks for my watch list. I see a bunch of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 charts that I like for today. Let's see who's ready to make some money today. By the way, Apex has the best discount right now. 80% off on every single eval and $85 only for any account PA fee. One-time pay fee. $85 for every single account. So for me right now, the 50k account is the best deal you can have. Easy to pass. It's like $37 per eval with the 80% off and $85 PA fee, one-time fee. You cannot have something better than that. So if you were looking for a discount to get the 20 accounts or work towards your 20 accounts on Apex, right now is the best moment to get it. With that discount, I will go a little bit crazy and just try to pass the 50k account as fast as I can. And then pay the $85 fee. And just being patient with my PAs. Go slow, steady but slow. Slow and steady. So again, if you're looking to get 20 PA accounts or you're looking to work towards the 20 accounts on Apex, right now is the best opportunity you can have ever. 80% off on the eval, only $85 PAs. Fee one time, only one time fee. Okay, let's see if we have any data today. Do we? You guys are better than me on that. Oh, it looks like the market wants to fill the gap below. So today's Thursday. Oh yeah, we have at 9:45. We already had it. And at 10. So let's wait until 10. And I'm not holding any swings. I'm not holding anything. I'm pretty much out of everything. The only thing that I'm holding is the long-term swing that I have on Siri. That is looking pretty good. I'm looking for dips on... I think I missed the dip on Meta. Because I was looking for a dip at 535 or 532.50. 532, 535. And Meta just gave us a 535 dip. Like pullback. And it's bouncing already. So I think I missed that one. But it's okay. I already made a lot of money on Meta yesterday. Let's see if Nvidia can hold 130. That's another one, Nvidia 130, or a pullback to 127. Tesla is not doing anything, but the 120, 121 level could be a good opportunity also. It's been consolidating, holding 120. AMD is holding yesterday high. That's another one. If you can really hold yesterday high, that's a very good entry. If not, we want to see it pulling back to yesterday's low and hold. Broadcom, it's one that I really like. Kind of feeling like getting early on Broadcom. Because it's holding 168, but it still has a little gap to yesterday high. So I don't know if I want to buy here and then add more if it goes lower to the yesterday high, or if I want to wait. Look at Meta. I missed that entry on Meta. That pullback. Yep. I'm not holding any Meta. I got out yesterday. Yesterday I decided to close everything. Yeah. Meta definitely looks like it's gonna go for all-time high. Okay, I like that hold on the Q and SPY. Both are trying to hold yesterday high. But we have data coming up in like 6 minutes, so it's better to wait. Ooh, Netflix is another one. Netflix 700. 701. If Netflix can hold 701, I'll do like a lot that chart. Nvidia is looking pretty good. But I don't know. I don't like how Nvidia is moving lately. Yes, it keeps going higher, but it's moving weird. Like if we see the daily, it has a very clean uptrend, right? But intraday is very choppy. Like it's very easy. Like the past few days, it's been very easy for Nvidia to stop you out. Morning. Make money out of YouTube? No, $100 if that's money for you. 120 monthly. That's nothing. I don't do YouTube to make money. I do YouTube because honestly, YouTube helped me a lot with noticing what I'm doing wrong. And every time I have a red day, I like to rewatch the stream and I can definitely see what I was doing wrong. Or, yeah, what I was doing wrong, because even if the market is choppy and I'm trading, that's my bad. I should not be trading with a choppy market. So yeah, YouTube, it's not to make money. It's for, well, if you want to be like a YouTuber, or you want to like have a big following to later have a big Discord or sell courses, yes, start with YouTube. But I don't do it for that because I'm an introvert, so I don't want to be a YouTuber. I only do this as a way of seeing my trade. Like it's kind of like my journal. It's a video journal for me. I don't know, I don't use Rhythmic. I use Tradovate. So I don't know how it's Rhythmic. But I'm sure you can find a bunch of tutorials on their website. All-time high on Meta. If you can hold that, that's a good entry. We want to see a break and retest above all-time high. Right now it's rejecting it a little bit. 544. I will say if Meta can hold 544, if Meta can hold 544, that's our entry. We have data in 2 minutes. Nvidia having trouble at 130. We have SPY in the queue right at yesterday high. I think I like it more starting the stream a little bit late because I don't trade the first few minutes, and we always have data like at 9:45 or at 10. Okay, data it's out. And let's see where we're going from here. I don't look at 1 minute candles. I don't go from anything below 5. Okay, so we have everything pulling back a little bit. Netflix is holding very good so far. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, rejection of yesterday high, but not much happening so far. Meta clear rejection of all-time high. That was a beautiful, beautiful flag, bull flag. If I were using the 1 minute time frame, I will get a stop out left and right all the time. Okay, I like that hold. I like that hold. I like that hold on SPY. I like that hold on SPY. I like how AMD is holding yesterday high. Broadcom is also holding yesterday high. So I have those two. I like Tesla hold above 220. Morning. Tesla hold above 220. It's a good one also. Nvidia pretty weak. Apple fighting yesterday high. Same thing with Microsoft. A little bit tricky because we have a lot of stuff right at resistance. Morning, morning. So far, I don't love anything, but I'm watching AMD and Broadcom and Netflix. I kind of want to see Broadcom filling the gap to yesterday high. Okay, AMD losing yesterday high. SPY and the Q looking weak. Nvidia very weak. The Medite fighting all-time high. It's rejecting 544. The market, I was thinking today before starting the stream, the market's been up so much that it's getting to a point that I'm scared to keep playing swings, like keep playing calls, but at the same time, it's not giving me anything to think that the market is not gonna keep going higher. So basically, we keep going higher, making higher highs and higher lows. Very clean uptrend, but it's been up so much for like 2 weeks straight that I'm scared to keep playing the upside. But when it gets to that point, it's difficult for me to find trades. Or at least swings. I stopped doing swings and cutting my runners like early. Netflix is holding very, very, very good. Kinda tempting me to enter here. I just don't want to go against SPY and the Q. Okay, the Q, both the SPY and the Q pretty much fill the gap below. Let's see how it's gonna react there. You want to see the Q holding this 483 level. If not, the next one is 481 and then 479. For SPY, we want to see it holding this 461, 460.50. The next one, it will be 459.50 and then 458. Yeah, we're looking very weak so far. Pretty weak. Netflix still holding. Tesla 221. We want to see it holding 220, 221. Basically above 220. Broadcom going for the gap. About to fill the gap to yesterday high. Let's see, the Q kind of fighting here. It's yesterday's close. We're still on a clean uptrend here. Look at this, the past few days is still on an uptrend. Same thing with SPY, still in a clean uptrend. Oh, Netflix. Okay, Netflix is at the VWAP. Needs to hold there. That's a big sell-off. If I see a very clean hold here, maybe a little like green candles or the next candle holding, I'm gonna go long. But I need bullish candlesticks here at support. Amazon was such a clean 182 reaction. Look at this. Amazon, we got the best entry for the gap and the best exit. Look at this. This was the gap, right? We play this gap or this gap. I don't even remember. But we got out near 182 and look at this reaction there. That was perfection. That's how you should be playing gaps. There was no reason to hope for that 182 break. It was, we enter at the beginning of the gap, we played in, we hold the gap, and then we get out near the gap fill, the entire gap fill, and done. No hoping. I haven't seen any gap. I don't know. Yeah, but Nike it's just gap up inside the gap. It's too late for that. It's right in the middle of the gap. The best thing we can do is just wait for a pullback here. Look at this. How can you trade this? You have a gap here, just gap up and went higher. I think if Nike can go lower and go back to this level here and act as support, that could be a good entry, and then we play the gap. But right now it's right in kind of in the middle of the gap. Has resistance here. And also kind of resistance here. So yeah, it can give us a big pullback to 80 or 79. Yes, I will play this gap. Yeah, but Crown Strike is too far from the gap. So yeah, and the gap is not even that good, honestly. It's a very, very small gap. So for me, this is not something that can I play it? Yeah, but it's not like something like I really want to play it. Yeah, this gap is too small. Okay, I like that hold on ES, on SPY. Let's see. I'm going long here. My stop loss is gonna be this low. Yeah, of course you can play gaps to either side. Just why you're gonna play the downside when the market is bullish. No reason to do that. And I'm trading with 20 PAs account from Apex, 10 150Ks, and 10 50K accounts. I don't like how Microsoft and Nvidia are looking right now, but we'll see. That can definitely mess up this trade. Tesla 220 needs to hold there. Meta is holding very, very good the VWAP. Flagging at the VWAP. Okay, looks like it's gonna stop me out. Let's see. No, guys, read the description. You can please read what's on my Discord. Tesla 220. We're fighting there, spies fighting there. Tesla fighting 220. We have Broadcom fighting the 168 level. Meta fighting the VWAP. Okay, I'm getting a starting position on Broadcom for next week. The 170, and I'm gonna add more if I see it going lower and holding 165 or 164. Okay, we're looking good. I also got the 172. And the 170 for this week. And 169. I like more the 169 for this week and 170 for next week. Okay, so my Discord says very clean. Free market plan. That's it. Free market plan. That's it. What I'm looking to trade for the day. Apple is looking weak, Microsoft is looking weak. That's most likely gonna mess up my trade. Meta is holding the VWAP, Nvidia is looking weak. But we're still holding. And the overall trend is bullish. We'll see. Still fighting there. Okay, I got out. That definitely looks very weak. Okay, so the next support on SPY 559.50. And for the Q is 481. I'm gonna move this to here. Oh, really? You fake me out? Let's move this to here. Tesla lost 220. Netflix looks like it's about to lose the VWAP. Meta ugly reaction of the VWAP. Microsoft very weak. Nvidia very weak also. Nvidia looks like it wants to go to 127 again, just like yesterday. Broadcom is looking weak but keeps holding. Yeah, but it kind of looks like a bear flag. Let's be patient here, because these fake out here above pre-market high and above yesterday high and rejected. But we have this clean downtrend, but SPY is still trying to hold the 460 level. So we'll see what's gonna happen. The Nasdaq is the same thing as the Q. So the same thing that I've been talking about the Q, it's exactly the same thing. Just follow the levels. That's it. Just watch how it's reacting to each level. So far we have a clean downtrend. Are you serious, SPY? The Nasdaq show you a clear rejection of 20k, 20,000. And so far it's still looking weak. Still in an uptrend. I'm sorry, in a downtrend. Microsoft is very, very weak. Tesla fighting to 20, but it's looking weak. ES is right at support. Same thing with SPY. That's why I don't watch futures and SPY and the Q. It's pretty much the same. I hate when this happens. Most of the time I wait for the 5-minute candles to close, but this one was big. And then only to close like that. Very bullish. And now we have the next one holding. But let's see how this 30-minute candle is gonna close. We still have 30 more minutes. I'm sorry, 22 more minutes. But if it closes like that, that's bullish. AMD is very weak. Tesla had a huge wall. I don't know what you mean with a huge wall. Wall of sellers or wall as resistance? 225. Yeah, it has resistance at 225. I keep holding yesterday's low. This is yesterday's low, Tuesday low. Uh-oh, SPY's gonna make me do it again. We'll see. Meta looks like it's ready to boom boom again. Yep, that's a flag. It has, if you guys see, check the 5-minute time frame. That's a flag on Meta. Oh, that's funny. Why Wendy's and not McDonald's? Buy time on what? It's always good to buy time. When it's Meta earnings? Oh, I already had earnings. Okay. It really looks like it wants to blast out of that all-time high. Okay, guys, I'm gonna do it again. Gonna try this one again. I wanted a little pullback so I can add one more. I want kind of like a little pullback and hold again. Oh, that's true. That's true. That's true. Buy time on Tesla? First, you need to see Tesla holding. Like really holding. Kind of looks like it. But I don't know. I'm not 100% convinced that it wants to hold at 220. Microsoft is so weak. Most likely it's gonna go to yesterday's low, around 421, 422. Okay, I added one more there. Dun, dun, dun. We keep holding. We keep holding. Nvidia is really trying to hold the 128.50. Meta definitely stronger than everything else. Microsoft very weak. AMD very weak. Broadcom holding very good. Tesla still very weak. Okay, looks like it's gonna stop me out again, and that's gonna be it. We'll see. And we keep holding. We're holding, but I cannot say we're holding strong, but it's holding. Okay, 155 on AMD. It can still, it's 155.80. Can still go to 155. Needs to hold yesterday's low. Nvidia losing it, Meta losing it. Okay, I'm out on red today. I'm done. I'm done, guys. Today is 290 multiplied by 10. This is my date. Red. Red with futures. Morning, Debbie. So yeah, guys, I'm done. 2 red days, done. Yeah, it's part of trading. Again, it is not, it's 44, it looks like 44k. I am not losing 44k. In fact, I'm losing 0 because these are prop firm and I did not blow up any accounts. Remember guys, what matters is what's going inside and outside your bank account. That's why I love trading with prop firms. I did not lose any money. Zero. I lost 0 from my pocket. If you see me down on options, yes, that's my money. But here, unless I blow up a account, I'm not losing anything. No, it looks, obviously it looks like we're still on a downtrend. It's moving slower, but it's still trending lower. I think it's because Microsoft and Nvidia are very, very, very weak, especially Microsoft. Microsoft right now is right at support, so if we don't see Microsoft holding here, Nvidia could keep going lower to 127. So if we don't see those two holding, SPY and DQ are gonna keep going lower. No, not blow accounts. Still, you guys, we're still alive. Because I have a lot of wiggle room. All last week was green, a lot green, so I have a big caution on those accounts. Ooh, I like that AMD level. You know what? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna go for AMD for next week. Let's see. The 160 calls. So yeah, I'm on AMD. My stop loss is gonna be this low here. This is Tuesday low. So like that. Tuesday low. Yeah, so holding AMD, you guys know the plan. I'm holding Broadcom also. I'll add more if it goes to yesterday high, or if it goes to 165, 164. My stop loss is gonna be under 163. Well, yeah. My PT is this high here, this resistance. So those are the two that I'm holding, Broadcom, AMD. And I'm not gonna lie here, if I see SPY breaking the 90 MA and holding, I'm gonna try this upside again. But I wanna see it holding the 90 MA. So let's wait. I wanna see holding the 90 MA because I can see how it's been rejecting the 90 MA here. So if it breaks the 90 MA, that will be a break of trend. If reject here, it means it wants to go lower. But I'm done with the stream. I need to go eat, and I'm gonna put a alert here at 161. I'm sorry, 561. Even a little bit higher. But yeah, I'm done with the stream, guys. I don't know if I'll be here tomorrow. Maybe you guys will see it on my Discord if I'm here tomorrow, but as of now, I'm done with today's stream. I'll see you guys maybe mañana, maybe Monday. Thank you guys for being here. And remember, right now is the best time to buy Apex account if you're working on getting 20 PAs. There is no better promotion than what's happening right now with Apex. So make sure to take advantage of that. If you see another reaction here of the 90 MA, most likely we're just gonna keep going lower. I think the key levels to watch is Microsoft right now, what it is. Yesterday's low, if can hold that, we can see SPY bouncing. If cannot hold that, SPY is just gonna keep going lower. Just gonna keep going lower. I don't know, I never used Rhythmic. I only used Trade08, which is this one. Another rejection on 90 MA, so no trade for me. But if you guys want to trade the downside, you can see how it's rejecting the 90 MA again. So yeah, I never used Rhythmic, so I cannot recommend it. What I never used. So I'll see you guys mañana or Monday. Thank you. Bye.